Well, okay. Well, I was having technical difficulties at first, but I think I just started with a, I don't know, I feel like guy with something hanging from his penis. And it looks kind of gross, but I just wanted to make sure the video was started, and it's starting, so let's see this nastiness.
You are demons. I think the only thing you'll taste today is your own blood.
I felt tense the whole time looking at that. You urethra? Oh, Jesus. That looked like it hurt really, really bad. You know. Wouldn't be sticking anything up there. Not screwdriver? In your pee-pee hole? It just hurt just looking at it, like, do not, oh, Jesus. Why are people like that? I don't know. What's wrong? I'm not like that, Lord, please. No. Watch out for that guy. That's the one jar guy. He's sticking, thing was, oh Lord, jeez. I just realized we were sticking out his thing when the video first started. That was just the whole screwdriver, the whole handle, the big handle was all the way. Oh Lord Jesus. That's nasty. That was really nasty. Ooh. Okay. End this video. See you guys later.